Hello friends, welcome to Vibha's videos once again. Today I'm showing you a lost recipe of Sindhis. So this is the bhat, the Juari ka bhat that we make. We initially used to make Baat-jo bhat, that is wheat bhat, but this is one of the lost recipes. It's called Juar-jo bhat. So let's see how we make it, friends. Let's get started, friends, with our winter special bhat. For this we need 1.5 liter of water. I'm going to keep it for boiling first. Please keep it in a thick bottomed pot so that it doesn't catch from down. I'm taking half cup of juari, a regular juari that we get in any kirana store. I'll put it in the dry blender and blend it on pulse. Let it blend nicely. It doesn't have to be absolute powder like I'm showing you. It has to be a grainy texture. And now we are going to give this powdered juari a nice wash, because sometimes there is slight this thing of mud in the juari, so we need to wash it thoroughly. And also there are flakes of the husk coming up, so these we need to remove. So take a the chai ka chhani, what we call steel chai ka chhani, in that you can remove after washing it nicely. So wash it like I'm showing you. Go on removing the husk from the top, it will float on top. As you can see, friends, I have washed it a minimum of 3 times to remove all the mud. Now we will add this to our boiling water. Please add it to boiling water, because if you add it to cold water there will be lot of lumps which we will not be able to break later as it cooks. So if it's added to boiling water, keep turning it so there are no lumps made in this. You have to boil this mixture for at least about half an hour while you are breaking all the lumps, and you have to keep turning it. Do not leave it alone, as it will burn from down. Keep turning it, breaking the lumps if any, and let it thicken the mixture. It should not be water separate and granules of juari separate. It becomes like a kanji type of consistency. And then for half an hour you have to boil this while turning it. After half an hour you can see a layer of like malai kind of thing setting on top. This is when you know that it is done. Your bhat is almost done, and it doesn't look separate, the grains and the water. It blends into each other like a kanji. And now is the time when we will add the salt to this. You have to add salt as per your taste. Now according to this measurement, I will be adding about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and then leaving it to boil for another 10 minutes. You can let it boil for 10 minutes while you are turning it. After this we are going to add sugar. The half cup that I took of juari, I am adding half cup of that and 1/4 of that. That totally makes it about 3/4 cups of sugar to this mixture. When you add sugar also, please keep stirring the mixture, as it should not get burnt from down. Now we have taken a kadai, a small kadai for vagar. In this kadai now I will add about 1 big tablespoon of pure ghee. And the vagar that we give is only pure ghee and rai to this. Let the ghee get heated up nicely. Wait for the ghee to melt, let it heat. Since it's a winter season, the ghee needs to be melted nicely. And while we are waiting for the ghee to melt, we should not forget that our bhat has to be stirred also. Continuously keep stirring it because the sugar is melting in that as well. Our ghee has melted now and I am adding about 1 tablespoon of rye to this. If you have the fine rye, the thin one, you can add that. If not, the thick one is also fine. Let it splutter nicely in the ghee and then we shall add this to the bhat. Can you hear the lovely sound of the ghee and the rice fluttering in it? And I can also smell the ghee. So it's an amazing feeling, guys, on a winter morning to have the bhat. Keep stirring the bhat as you mix the ghee and the rye in it. And now to this mixture I will be adding about 1 cup of milk. This is up to you guys. You can add milk, or in summers when we are having this bhat, we generally can have it with curd as well. So it's entirely up to you. You can have it without milk, with milk, or with curd in summers. Our bhat is now ready to be served, friends. You can serve it hot. I'm dedicating this video to my friend Chandni. She wanted to know the recipe, hence this video, friends. If you like it, press the like icon and please share it with everybody so it keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thank you.